Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 31st December 2025. India's next wave of growth is coming from smaller cities. Brands are adapting products and pricing to reach millions of aspirational yet price-conscious consumers. This shift is reshaping retail from fast fashion to quick commerce. Companies are focusing on local needs and value to capture this expanding market. The future of consumption is moving beyond major metros. Bharat Forge Limited has secured a significant Rs 1,661.9 crore contract from the Ministry of Defence to supply 2,55,128 CQB Carbines to the Indian Army. This order, to be executed over 5 years, highlights the indigenous development and manufacturing capabilities of the 5.56 x 45 mm carbine, aligning with the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. Indian Hotels Company has exited Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts. The company sold its entire 25.52% stake, comprising 1.6 crore shares, to Shalini Bhupal. This marks the end of Indian Hotels Company's ownership in Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts. The deal was announced on Tuesday. Crore Solar has landed a groundbreaking deal valued at over Rs 2,000 crore with NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, set to provide an impressive 1,464.5 megawatt of solar modules for renewable energy projects sprinkled throughout Uttar Pradesh. This landmark order marks a pivotal moment for Crore Solar, which is simultaneously boosting its Dudu plant capacity. In 2025, Indian real estate experienced a remarkable boost in private equity investments, soaring to $6.7 billion, a staggering 59% increase from the previous year. This surge was primarily fueled by foreign capital, with the office sector at the forefront of investments, closely followed by data centers and residential projects. Reliance Industries shareholders anticipate the much-awaited Jio IPO in H1 of 2026, potentially India's largest listing, aiming to unlock significant value. After a substantial rally driven by telecom, retail and refining, the IPO could further boost RIL's market capitalization, though a holding company discount remains a consideration. Russian crude oil shipments to India are projected to reach a 3-year low in December, with deliveries anticipated around 1.1 million barrels daily. This dip follows increased US scrutiny on energy trade, impacting buyer confidence. However, a rebound is expected early next year as Reliance Industries resumes purchases, potentially boosting volumes. Mukesh Ambani on Tuesday unveiled a draft artificial intelligence manifesto for Reliance Industries, setting out an ambition to transform the group into an AI-native deep tech enterprise while targeting a tenfold improvement in productivity across its workforce of more than 600,000 people and a 10x impact on the economy and society. Detailing the internal agenda, Ambani said Reliance will reorganize work around outcomes rather than functions, with end-to-end workflows redesigned and supported by common digital platforms and tighter governance. Core processes such as procure to pay, order to cash, hire to retire, and plan to port will be re-engineered to eliminate manual handoffs, close digital breaks, and enable real-time visibility and decision-making. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.